Alright guys, this one for the road. This is not a hack or anything like that. A lot of people have been going a little crazy, a little overexcited about Project Fi's phone plan, and I mean, yeah, like some people said, it depends on each preference, like whether or not you want to use data, whether or not you don't use data, you don't need data, or do you have to have a data plan with Project Fi? Actually, answer is yes and no. The reason why I say yes and no, because in order to set up your plan, you have to get at least 1 gig of data, which is $10 a month, plus the $20 for unlimited talking text. Now, the no part comes in place if whether or not you know how to use devices and you don't care for data or you want data. All right. So Project Fi gives you up to 10 gigs with $400 a month plus the $20. So you paying $120 for 10 gigs. But if you don't want gigs at all, or you just want 1 gig, that's $10 a month for the gig plus the $20. So that's $30. So your plan could be anywhere between $30 to $120, depending on your preference, depending on your usage of data, Wi-Fi, talking text. Okay. So can you get a $20 phone plan with Project Fi? Yes, you can. You want to know how? It's simple. Okay, let's say you set up your phone, you get your data, you got your Project Fi running, blah, blah, blah. All right, you want Wi-Fi or whatever. You don't want data, you don't want your data on, let's say you don't want your data on. All you do, okay, you see your drop down quick settings, and you see where it says Fi Network. You go to Fi Network, all right, you go to where it says cellular data. Basically, you hit that, you press that, boom, your data's off. No data being used. Also, you want to know another trick? Put it on airplane mode. So you want to have data running in the background. Because sometimes, even if you do turn off the data, it still runs in the background, and you'll go to your plan and you see data's been used. And you're like, how's that happening? Because it's still processing data, background data. You can restrict your device. All right. So, yes, and then airplane mode's on. Turn on the Wi-Fi again. Wi-Fi comes back on. Now you're just using Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi hotspots, depending on your location and stuff like that. Now, if you want to make sure your area has Wi-Fi or places around you has Wi-Fi, there's a great application, and I don't know why people are not using it, but there's an awesome application that would definitely help you with this, and it's called Wi-Man. What is Wi-Man? Wi-Man is a great source to detect open Wi-Fi areas. You can even download, see it says view map. You can view the map of the area around you showing Wi-Fi. So it's a lot of Wi-Fi hotspots around me. You can even search the streets. You can see Wi-Fi spots up here. So this is a great app to help you. Now you can also check your maps. You can download the maps too in each section. So there you go. Wi-Man is a great app. It definitely helps. Oh my bad. It definitely show offline cities. So you can download offline cities. So the places I found a lot of Wi-Fi is Fairview Heights and Collinsville in Illinois. So it's going to show me a whole map of the Wi-Fi, so I can connect to it. And not only that, it'll automatically connect to it thanks to Google's Wi-Fi assistant setting. Now, where you can find this at is basically you go to you go to more settings. Okay, then you see this 3 hamburger dots, or 3 dots. You go there, you find advanced, and use open Wi-Fi automatically. Let Wi-Fi assistant automatically connect you to open networks. Determine high quality network notifications. It will notify you what network do you want to keep Wi-Fi on during sleeping. All right, and then you got all these other different options. So that's how you keep staying connected if you don't want to use data. If you want the $20 plan, the $20 plan with Project Fi, a lot of people are going crazy about just using $20 on Project Fi. But to me, I mean, that's kind of defeating the purpose of using Project Fi. And then I will leave you guys a link in the description if you don't know anything about Project Fi or you want to know more about Project Fi. I'll leave you a link to the official video, show you the purpose of Project Fi, why a lot of people are switching. And not only that, if you don't like Project Fi, you can go back to any carrier. You go to T-Mobile, Sprint, AT&T, Verizon, Cricket, Metro, PCS, you name it. Okay, Boost Mobile, I guess, Virgin Mobile, I think, if they can do SIM cards. But yeah, Project Fi to me is kind of universal, and in more ways than others, it should be focused on Wi-Fi first, then cellular and data, because the Wi-Fi helps you stay connected, basically. And you can use Google Hangouts, you can use all your regular apps on Wi-Fi or data, it doesn't matter. Okay, so yes, can you get a $20 a month plan with Project Fi? Yes, you can. But in order to do that, you got to turn off your data. So that's the only real downside. I mean, yeah, you can still get unlimited talking text through using your default phone dialer and Google Messenger app, which is the default SMS. But Hangouts, to me, you can do calling, texting, chat, messaging, video chat, all on Wi-Fi. So these are your main applications to be using. And like I said, Y-Man, if you want to get alerts about you're connected to Wi-Fi, or just turn on the Wi-Fi settings on your Nexus 6 or 5X or the Nexus 6P. All right, it's your boy, I Take You Out Guy. Thanks for watching. Deuces.